Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I've got the final flip through of the time-stamped folio journal that we made together. I will link the playlist down below. This was part of my design team project for Marley Design using her time-stamped kits. Links will also be down below for that. But today I want to do the final flip through. This journal will be up for sale as soon as this video is up, and it will be listed on my Instagram called paperyuri_shop. Links down below. And if you are interested in this journal, you can comment on the post and then you can claim it that way. But yeah, let's do the flip through first and show you what we've made. So this is the front. I really love the front, and this is the only thing that I used in terms of papers that was not from the kit. This is actually a stamp from, or not a stamp, it's a die set from Tim Holtz. And I've used some backdrops for it. So this is one of the thin lid frame thingies, and I thought it really fitted the rest of the papers. And then this is the back. I really love how it turned out. And then we're going inside. I'm gonna take out the journal first so that we can flip through the folios a little bit easier. All right, so let's go to this folio first. I've put on a vintage envelope, and inside there's also a little card, and it just clips on like that. And then this is a pocket in which you can put your pictures or whatever you want. Then we've got two journal cards here, and then we have an envelope here that closes with Velcro, and this has all sorts of vintage tickets. And there's also a few stamped ones in there. Then it opens up like this, and then we have some bits of ephemera. These are real vintage photos. And then a vintage ticket and some more ephemera bits. Then these are also two journaling cards. And then it opens up like this, and then we have a big envelope here, and in this envelope are also some vintage goodies. There's some postcards, and this I don't know what this is actually. It's vintage though, and you can use it to decorate the journal. All right, and then we go in here, and then in here I have an array of vintage papers and a large tag that we made. All right. Like that. And that's this folio done. Now we'll go to this one. Then on top I have this little booklet. You can use as a mini journal. And it clips on with a paper clip. Like that. And then this is a see-through pocket, and then here's nothing, no pocket here, but you can put your pictures here or whatever you want. Then we've got some Tim Holtz here and another real vintage picture. And then we open it up like this, and then there's two pockets. And let me grab a piece of paper quickly. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Then there's two pockets here. So it is glued down the middle, right? And then there's another pocket right here. And a pocket right here with a journaling card. And then it opens up like this. And then we have a pocket here. There's nothing in here yet, but you can put something there. And then there's two cards that you can use for journaling and pictures. And there's one in that pocket as well. Oh, I did not put it in there. I'm sorry. There you go. Okay. And then they open up like that. And then there's another big tag, and there's some papers here as well. Right. Then like that. So all right, so let's close this up like this. Okay, so now we're going to the journal. I left the cover blank because I thought the person that might buy it would like to decorate the front themselves. And then there's 4 signatures in here. And here's a vintage postcard. I love this. The color is so good. And then there's all sorts of vintage papers. Some onion skin paper, some real vintage tickets in there. And, you know, all sorts. Then there's some Tim Holtz here. And here are also more pictures and more Tim Holtz. And then here's another vintage ticket. More Tim Holtz here. And another vintage ticket. And then all sorts of vintage papers, of course. More items here. I really love the typewriter papers. Oh, it's just so cool. I love it. Another picture here. More vintage tickets and papers. And then on the back there's another vintage postcard. And that is the journal. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this. If you want to make one for yourself, be sure to watch the playlist. It's down in the description. There I will show you how to make one of these. Yeah, this one is from now on up for sale on my Paper Yuri shop. And I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a nice day wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!